Family, welcome to Kakum National Park. And this is a park that's famous for our canopy walk and canopy walk hike. We have all of our brave soldiers there waiting for the canopy ride.
Oh, I'm just waiting for the lady.
Are you waiting for the tour guide?
Yeah.
Wow, out of a whole bus group, these are the brave men and women and child.
Nature lovers. Yeah, we're gonna give it a try.
Get your parachute.
Yeah.
You know, accidents do happen, so you want to be able to let the chute out, so you just go, instead of falling hard down 40 stories.
Yeah.
Little woman, you get your parachute ready?
Huh?
You get your parachute ready?
No,
How you gonna
I don't have one.
How you gonna get down when you jump out the canopy? You know you're gonna be all the way up in the air, right? So how you gonna get down?
It's gonna take you down.
It's gonna take you down? So you're not scared of the canopy? Do you know you have a long hike? Look up there, look up there. Look up there, see? Look. And when you go up here,
I don't see the bridge.
you won't see the bridge yet, but that's this side. And for those who survive and return, this is what you'll see.
Your son played.
So what you're viewing is Kakum National Park. This is the starting point. And we're gearing up for a nice hike through the forest. Now what we're trying to avoid is us getting picked off by lions. Lions, bears, wolves, and things like that.
His teachers were really supportive.
Like that?
Yeah. Oh wow, that's great. That was
Here's a lion. Here's your lion. Daddy, here's your lion.
Yes.
Daddy, here's your lion.
There's no lion here. Let's tell the people. So yes, my name is Little Bowman and I'm brave. And I am going to survive the canopy walk. I'm going to make it happen, right? And I'm going to hike up the forest. You're not going to be tired, right? You going to make it on your own? Or you need me to carry you? You want somebody to carry you? Who back you want to jump on?
Jump while you can. It's gonna be too big too. He almost almost too big now.
You gotta get them legs working, right?
No.
Right?
No.
So we're gonna take a walk through the forest. Up, 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 up. And then we're gonna do the canopy around and around and around. And then we're gonna come back down.
I put my feet right here.
So you can get down easy by jumping and on your parachute.
I don't have a parachute.
We gotta get you a parachute.
Daddy, this super bad to come out.
Shayna, you ready?
Yeah.
Come on, tell me you're excited. You ready?
Ready?
Night and night.
You gonna put my money in your back and climb up?
No.
Yeah.
Somebody's gonna walk.
No.
gonna walk,
No, I'm not.
Alright family, that's it. So we're gonna get geared up and we'll
I'm not gonna walk.
keep you in tune.